Continuing from the first part of this video, here are a few things to know during your new Miami adventure. Cost of living. The city is well developed, and you will find everything from single apartments, mini flats, condos, to modern luxurious homes. 85-meter square apartment costs between $1,600 and $2,400 every month, and 45-meter square homes and studio apartments go for $950 to $1,700 every month. If you think of a lease option, you'll need to add water, waste management, and outdoor maintenance charges to your budget. Just something to keep in mind. Miami's leasing conditions. The rental fee in Miami is due monthly, and the maximum duration of leasing a property is 1 year. A contract can be renewed every year, and there is no duration limit if you rent a property. When renting a house in Miami, it's important to know that all the tax and apartment maintenance fees are paid by the owner, but the tenant pays for all the house utilities. The languages. English is the official language of Miami, but there is a lot of immigration from various Spanish-speaking regions, so Spanish is also a dominant language spoken by 60% of the population. Might be a good idea to practice some Spanish prior to your arrival, as it will make the experience even more special. Where to eat in Miami? Miami is a multicultural feast of flavors, as there is a great Spanish influence. The signature dishes are stone crab, ceviche, and empanadas. Seafood lovers swear by Joe's stone crab, and burgers lovers enjoy Chicken Kitchen. Be open to trying out new dishes and mindful of tourist traps. Take some time to explore different areas and find the most delicious hidden gems of Miami. Last but not least, the final note. One last piece of advice. Make sure you speak Spanish or English well before you embark on this adventure in Miami. If you speak both, it's even better. But don't worry if you aren't fluent in either of them, as you will learn on the spot. Please don't hesitate to write down your questions in the chat. I would be pleased to answer you. Thank you very much for joining us and for your interest in Hospitality Academy. If you want to apply for any of our programs for a life-changing experience in Miami, please send an email to admissions@phospitalityacademy.com, and we will contact you soon.